This might be loud. Yeah. Lots of thunder, lightning, and heavy precipitation right now here in Portland. Oh, wow! Oh, shit! Oh, wow! I swear to God, I'm gonna die out. Heavy precipitation right now. Oh!
Corner cafe, she scraped some quarters off the table. Says thanks, yeah, now maybe I'll be able to get that black Mercedes I've been saving for. Oh, the other girls say you ought to undo a couple buttons, start your
Got a few lightning strikes. We got a few lightning strikes here in Bend, Oregon. We are now in Portland. We're now in Portland, Oregon. There was just a lightning strike right in front of us. Oh yeah, there's one. Oh yeah, there's a good one. Oh, whoa, oh, whoa! Whoa, that was long! Oh, and another one! God, I love Portland. Oh, yeah. Whoop, that dude, that might cover the entire sky! Man, I love Portland. Yeah. Oh, well, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Still in Portland. Oh, God. Love Portland. This is the best thunderstorm I've ever seen in Oregon. One of, I should say. Lots of intense thunderstorm here in Portland, Oregon. Lots of lightning. Oh, and lightning right on cue. Gotta love. This is one of those times where I say, only in Portland.